Live, guys. W's. We are currently live. Make sure to like the stream. Make sure to like the stream, guys. Make sure to like the stream. We are currently at 7 like right now. Make sure to like this stream. For those of you who actually set notification, make sure to, if you are watching this, make sure to like the stream. Let's look at the price of Bitcoin. Let's look at the price of Bitcoin. Trade features. Bitcoin really went up today. So if you look at the price right now, Bitcoin is just going. It's currently going up. I think in the next coming hour, price can actually come down, right? Because let me show you guys something, right? If you look at here, look at what happened here. You identify the top. Look at what is currently happening again. You see that there's what do you call it? There's this feed candle. You can actually see this feed box here. All this one are feed. Immediately they start feeling, just know that price ejection is actually coming. That's why I will be expecting price to actually go down. The same thing here. See, price is currently tired at this point. Price is currently tired at that point, right? So for me, I will not be expecting price to actually go up more. Price is currently weak, right? Price is currently weak at that point. So pay attention, because this is exhaustion, right? It also tells you how to actually detect exhaustion. That is exhaustion, right? You can also see the same exhaustion here is currently happening here at this point. What happened? Price go down. Expect that Bitcoin will actually go down. You don't need to actually start drawing support and all those things, right? Just understand the least that Bitcoin can do, just go up maybe, and yeah, we're going to go down. So just something like this. So save the screenshot, right? Why this will go down, right? This also will go down. Sorry. So just save it. So that is what I currently see for the price of Bitcoin currently right now in the 1 hour time frame, because price is price is so weak, so weak. Let me price is so weak. So we should actually give price time to do the same here, right? You can actually see all this candle is feed, all this one is feed. What happened? Price come down. So the same thing will actually happen here too, which will actually make price to actually come down. So just have that in mind, right? Let's see, tomorrow I'll be doing stream, right? So we are going to see how that one will actually play out. But this is live, so I'm actually predicting it right now that price will actually do something like this and then start going down. Yeah, so yeah, start going down, because there is a sign of weakness here, sign of weakness here, sign of weakness here. The sign of weakness just started happening right now here. So understand that price will actually do what? Go down in the coming hours, right? So we can also see, you can actually see, this is even a short position. It should be a short position right now. Just scale, but price can still do something like this, right? Because it will like to test, do something like this, and yeah. So it's a very good short position, right? Very good short position. Let me see this back side. So you can actually see what made Bitcoin dump here. What made price dump here is the same thing, right? This is the best time to actually short. When you open the short position, you actually wait for the feed green candle. Let me show you. You can actually see green. That was the exact top to actually short the market. What happened? It goes down, switch to red. What happened? Price actually dump. You switch to red, you take profit, you start taking profit. That is it. Trading is actually simple if you actually understand it, right? Trading is not that hard, right? You just have to actually understand the structure of the market, when there's ejection in the market, and then you are actually good to go. So it is a very easy thing. Understand the ejection. What when is ejection coming in? Ejection is coming in when there is this when the MEC, this is MACD, when it start printing green. For example, you want to actually short, you don't know when to short, right? What you have to do is to come to the MACD. Make sure you actually switch it on, right? If you scroll down here, you're going to see MA. Make sure you actually uh, switch it on. Let me see. Right here. Make sure you actually switch it on. This is it. Make sure you actually switch it on, right? And then you can actually, with this, you can actually help to actually detect the price of the market. See, this will be a good shot. I'm telling you, this will be a good shot. Tomorrow we are going to see. Tomorrow I'm going to do stream again, the same thing. So, with this, you can actually know that the price of Bitcoin will do something like this, and then we should actually start going down. So let's see how that one will actually play out. Let's see. The same thing also happened here. I think it happened here. Okay, let's see now. Let's take for example, this started printing green. This is it. So that is why sometimes when trading this, right, you need to actually manage your risk, right? But the high chance of you making profitable, it is very profitable if you understand this, right? If you understand this, what happened? Price start going down. Price start going down. Whenever this start printing feed green, feed green, it simply means sign of weakness. It simply means sign of weakness, and price actually start reversing down, right? It also happen here. So pay good attention. It also happened here. It started printing green. What happened? That was either top. Started printing green again. What happened? Price started going down. And when it switched red, what happened? Price dump. So yeah, you can actually make profit with this. Very easy thing, easy to detect. This is what I'll be using to make profit. You can actually use this to actually make profit. Let's go again. Let's look at this again. It is very, guys, like sometimes actually when I actually discover it. Now let's look again. Now it was creating empty candle. Pay attention. It was creating empty candle here, right? But immediately it start creating feed candle. What happened? That was the top. That was the top. You see, feed candle, feed candle. That was the top. And what happened after that? Price actually dumped, right? It switched red. Price dumped. Immediately it starts printing multiple feed uh, green box. It shows that price is tired of moving up. If the chart is moving, it shows that price is tired of moving up, and that is when you want to start getting into short position. You want to actually start scaling short position and managing your risk by lowering your leverage so that you don't have chance of getting liquidated, because price can just wiki out and then you see the move down. So it is very important, right? So it is very. Let us look at it again. Let us look at this. You see, sign of weakness. Very easy to detect. What happened? Sign of weakness. You can see it here. What happened? That was it. What happened to price? Price actually do what? Switch red, and then price actually went down. Very easy. Very easy to actually detect, right? You can actually use this to actually make a lot of profit. A lot of profit, guys. So yeah. But then let's look at Bitcoin on the weekly time frame. There's something Bitcoin on the weekly time frame. Okay, let's look at it on the monthly. Okay, this will show us the overall movement. This is Bitcoin on the monthly time frame. right? So every bear market, this is which year? This is 2017 bull market. This is this is 2017 bull market that actually happened. 2017 bull market, 2017 bull run, right? That's it. This is 2021 bull run. Okay, 2021 bull run. This is 2021 bull run, right? And this is 2024 bull run. So this bull run that just passed right now. So this is it. So right now, if we are looking at the bear market, because we are currently in the bear market, I don't know what many people will actually think, but I think we are currently in the bear market because look at it. Let's look at Bitcoin. Look at it, right? If you look at it in the monthly time frame, you understand that we are currently in a bear market. This is a bear market, right? A bear market, bear market. I think we still have to for price to actually go down. But how do we know that we have time for price to actually go down? Here are the signals, right? First of all, if you look at the 2017 bull run, right? It started from, look at the date. Look at the date. It started from 2018. That means the uh, first January 2018, right? And then when did it end? Let's look at when it ended. It ended around 2019. It started 2018, and then it ended 2019. That means it ended 2019 first, 2019 January 1st. It started 2018 January 1st. It end at 2019 January 1st. So everything actually used a period of 1 year to actually play out, right? Everything used a period of 1 year to actually play out, right? How many red candles you can actually see here, right? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me see something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it used a period of 13 months for the market to actually bottom out, right? So this the 2017. We are looking at the historical movement, right? The historical movement of the price. Now let's look at the current the 2021 bull run. I mean the 2021 bear market. The 2021 bear market used how many and started from 2021 11, which is 2021 November 1st. It started in 2021 November, so you can actually look at the date there. Look at the date here, right? It started 2021 November 1st. 11 is November, right? And then it ended when? When did it end? It ended 2022 2022 December 1st, right? So it used a period of, that means this one still use the same 1 year again, right? This one still use the same 1 year again. So let's look at how many candles, right? Let's look at how many red candle that was here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Am I right? It should be 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It's a period of 14 months, right? So we should actually look at it as, the recent bull run used how many months? It used 12 months. 2021 bull run, sorry, the 2017 bear market used a period of 12 months, right, to actually play out. So just record the 2021 bull run, the 2021 bear market used a period of 14 months to actually play out. So 2017 12 12 months. The bear market used 12 months. 2021 it used 14 months. The bear market used 14 months. Now, if we are to calculate, with what we are having right now, because this is when did it start? It started here. It started here, right? So we are going to calculate from here, right? It started here, so let's actually count how many months so far, right? This is when it topped out, right? So we have used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? This is 10. So we have about how many months again? 10, 11, 12, 10, 11, 12, okay, 10, 11, 12, 13. So let us give it about 4 extra months. And we are currently in the month of what? July. So January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Then we count August, right? August, September, October, November. So November should be the bottom of the market, right? November should be the bottom of the market. November will make it about 13 months. So November will be the bottom of the market, right? So we should actually expect that Bitcoin we actually do something like this, could do more downside in the next like from now until something like November, right? Am I right? January, February, March, April, May, June, July. We are in the month of July, August, September, October, November. So we have 4 months, right? For November, that will be the best time to actually buy Bitcoin, right? So first of all, let's look at planning, right? That will be the first thing to buy, right? When the market always stopped, when the market actually bottom, right? Because from November you should actually expect Bitcoin to actually bottom out, right? Bitcoin to actually bottom out, and then price can actually do what? Price to actually start the next bull run that is actually coming. Because I believe that we still have extra like 4 months to 5 months for price to actually go, which is from November to December, right? Or if things can actually go, sideways more, we should actually expect 2027 first quarter. That would be the best time to actually buy, right? So that is what I actually see, right? So that is it. Price is currently coming down. We are currently in a bear market. I think this we are currently in a bear market. So price can actually come down, can actually do more sideways movement for now the next 4 months, and then the next bull run actually will start. Right? So that is what I see here. Or that is what I see here. Now in the first bull run, there's something I want to actually say here. Right? You should always have a plan when the next bull run actually comes. The first thing you will jump in is not meme coins or altcoins. Don't buy any meme coins, don't buy any uh, altcoins, because this was the first thing I actually did, right? When the bull run, when the recent bull run, which is this past bull run that actually happened, this one that actually happened, right? When this bull run actually happened, the first thing I bought was Bitcoin, right? And actually had it. I think I actually had it around 60,000. Yeah, 60,000. This was 2024. Yeah, it was exactly 2024. I had it to 60K before I actually started selling, taking profit, right? So the first thing to buy when the market bottom out, when the bear market is over, is Bitcoin. You just buy. Don't focus on anyone. Just accumulate a lot of Bitcoin first, because what will happen first is money will move into Bitcoin, right? Sometimes I don't think money will move into Bitcoin first, right? Because if you look at the ways are already here, right? Money will move into BTC first. because if you look at the ways already here, we have BlackRock, we have institutions already here buying a lot of it. So they will write the price, they will write the price, they will write the price. That's why the next thing you should actually buy once, from November, December should be a lot of Bitcoin, a lot. Because 2027, the whole 2027 will be bullish for Bitcoin. Just as it happened here. Is 2027 it will just be a new starting. It will just be a new starting, just as here. So it will still going to be the same thing. It's just like you timing the button. You buy here and then palm. Price start doing that. Sorry. So you buy there and price start doing that, right? Just yeah. Price start doing that. So pay attention. This is what I see for the price of Bitcoin uh, in the larger time frame, right? But in the 1 hour time frame, let's look at the 1 hour time frame. For me right now, the 1 hour time frame is weak. The 1 hour time frame is weak. There's ejection, which I've actually showed you guys. There's ejection right now, ejection here, ejection here, ejection here, ejection here. So right now, what happened when there was ejection here? You saw how price went down, right? Right. So this is it's starting now. So what you should actually pay attention. So what you should actually pay attention to right now is price will likely do this. Price will likely do something like this. Let's see how things will actually play out, by the way. Alright, so that is it, guys. Let me see if I can actually drop some coins that I can actually predict. Let's see if we can predict that coin. Look at Ethereum. Ethereum will actually still do the same thing. Ethereum right now in the 1 hour time frame is currently looking weak. For me, this is a good short position. This is a good short position. I think either price will actually dump. Yeah, I think Ethereum either price will actually dump. Either price will actually dump like this. It first or it dump fast here. So these are just limit order. Yeah. So you just save the screenshots. Let's see what will happen. But this is price is currently getting weak. It got weak here. Let me see it. Price is currently getting weak. Right? Price is currently getting weak. So we should actually expect, price to actually go down. See, just at the same thing that actually happened here. Saw the sign of weakness. Currently the sign of weakness. You open short position for price to roll down. Imagine opening short position here. Imagine opening short position here and you are holding it. You're just taking part profit, price roll down again, you take a lot of profit again and then you close. So Ethereum for me right now is still a short position, it's in a short. I think the price will actually drop. So either here or here. So these are just limit orders for take profits. If price get here, you take some profit. Price get here, you take some profit, and then that is just it. You just scale all the way, scale all the way, scale all the way. Let me look at which other one again. Which other one again? Solana. Let's see Solana. Solana, I don't have any prediction for Solana, but it could still come down, right? It could still come down, maybe get something like this, or like this. So limit order here, another limit order here. So that is it. You still come down, you could still come down. Let's look at the best pair. My best pair is Avalanche. I mean, my best pair. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, man, let me just search it. Okay. Avalanche, yeah, this is it. I think price could still go down. I think price could still go down. Avalanche, just as here. Yeah, price was here. This is Avalanche is showing a sign of weakness. I'm coming. Let me just show you guys something. Think price was currently here. So imagine you open short position, you saw the sign of weakness here, you open short position. That's why I always say scale. Because sometimes the market will actually like to trick you, try to stop you out, lower the leverage, scale the position, it gives you another sign of weakness again, you add to your position. So always have a plan, right? Because this strategy will make you profit at the end of the day. Always have a plan. You see the full move, imagine making scale, but if you doesn't have a plan and then you start using, you just get wrecked out of the position and then you're actually missing the real move you're actually waiting for. So understand the structure. So right now, Avalanche for me, I think Avalanche will actually go down. Reason why is because there has been sign of ejection right here at the beginning, right? So at the beginning, there have been sign of ejection already, right? So right now again, we are still seeing multiple sign of ejection, right? Even if as the price is currently going up, multiple sign of ejection, which is currently appearing here, right? You can actually see those feed candle, those green box immediately it start printing multiple green box. You just know that this is a sign of ejection, and yeah, price can actually do what, roll down, roll down. So we should actually, this is a very good short position, right? Price could likely dump this night. Can I be wrong? Maybe I can be wrong, but this is, I'm just following what I'm seeing here. The ejection, price is getting ejected, the up move is getting the up move is currently getting ejected. So pay attention, because we could first, we grab the liquidity here, right? Take out those position, yeah, because there's a bunch of liquidity here already. So price can move down. That's how many percent. If we look at price can actually move down, that is 2%, 3%, even 4, 5. So if I'm to look based on the target, let me see. If I'm to look based on the target, I'll be looking at price to do something like this and then dump. I'll be waiting for price to actually, price can get here. Price can get here. But if you are opening this position right now and the price starts going down, right? If we get here, we'll take down this liquidity, take some profit, close about 50%, right? Just take some profit, right? That means first TP should be here, maybe your second TP should be here, your last TP should be here, as this low. Yeah. So Avalanche. So we have looked at Avalanche. We have looked at Ethereum. We have looked at Solana. I think we have looked at Solana. We have looked at Solana, 4 coins. So let's see what will happen. The signal is still showing me that everything, you know, if Bitcoin comes down, for sure, we know that the rest coins will actually go down. We could see something like this ticking, ticking, ting, ting. Something like this ticking, ticking, ting, ting. So yeah, da, 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 da. I think this liquidity can be taken, right? This liquidity can be taken. Then this liquidity can be taken because there are people shorting it right now. There are people shorting it right now. So if it goes more sideways, you can take it, push some people out, and then. So I would not advise to put stop loss here. Maybe above somewhere here higher. That would be your stop loss, right? Because this will actually go up, and yeah, this. So yeah. Our time frame is looking bullish, quite looking bullish for Bitcoin. Our time frame is just looking bullish for Bitcoin. The reason why is because we have the green box is coming out, right? It switched from the red box to the green box from, yeah. But there's nothing to analyze at the 4 hour. But the 1 hour time frame, yeah, just have to give price some time. And your first take profit here, your last take profit here. Why? It's currently printing green box. Let's zoom in. Look at it very well. Price is printing green box. The overall movement price should go down, 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 down. I think let's look at SRP. SRP will still do the same thing. Yeah, the same thing. Yeah, I'll be expecting the same thing from SRP. I'll be expecting the same thing for SRP. Okay, I'll be expecting the same thing for SRP. Oh, if price can do something like this, and yeah, still the same thing, right? Or either price go down from here, either price do something like this from here, or price do something like this, great, and then go down. Yeah, SRP, I'm still betting on the same thing. I'm still looking at the same thing to happen to SRP, right? Mostly if we close this candle, I think right now it's going to close because this is it. I'll be ending the stream by tomorrow. I'm going to actually stream again. So we are going to see how everything will actually play out for the price of Bitcoin. So we have looked at Bitcoin, we have looked at Ethereum, we have looked at Solana, we have looked at SRP, we have looked at AVX, which is my best pair. So, so yeah, we have closed. You see, it has currently print. We just open a new candle right now. We just open a new candle right now. It has print another green candle. So we're still expecting market to go down, go down, go down. Yeah. So you can actually see the plan. Then price will actually go down, go down, go down. You can actually see. actually see go down, go down. So you have just understand this. Price is getting weak. Price is just too weak. Let me have a screenshot of this. I'll just have to actually screenshot this thing like this. Let me just screenshot it. I can't screenshot. Okay. So you can actually see. So guys, we are going to see how things will actually play out. I don't have to stay on the stream, right? We are going to see how things will actually play out, right? Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. We are going to see how things play out. By tomorrow, are we going to actually go down, right? So we should actually expect something like this and like this. Let's see. By tomorrow, we are going to check. So guys, like, subscribe. I'm going to see you guys on my next one. Peace out, guys.